So friends, this is an announcement for 100% English marathon batch for CA CMA final SFM. If you want to take this lecture in Hindi, I have already posted information in my another channel. The link will be given in description box. So you can skip this video and see the link below and take all the information which will be available in that video. So for whom this batch is important? This batch is important for all those students who are going to appear their exam in the next attempt. Even beyond that attempt, you can take these lectures provided you have covered your SFM at least once from your class material which was provided to you. It is not mandatory that you have taken classes from me. You can have taken classes from anyone, but the condition is that you have covered your classes at least once. Full-fledged revision is already covered. As you are aware that I am also taking 100% English SFM lecture. So if you are students of those lecture, then definitely you must cover your entire lecture once and then view this video and information. So this will definitely be a very challenging task for me to cover 1000 plus concept in one day or in few lectures. So I have to cover 1000 plus concept which I used to cover in my regular batch in this lecture. So definitely it will be a challenging task for me and it will really be very exciting, because before exam this lecture will prove to be a game changer for all of us. So friends, you are also aware that I have posted many notes in my Telegram channel which are free of cost. Anyone can download those notes and can take all the important questions, theory, formulas from those notes. One note is SFM Chalisa summary notes which are very important, very important before exams, because you know in SFM we have lots of formula. I have summarized all the formula in this booklet, so you will definitely be benefited by these notes. SFM theory notes, 100% sure 25 marks. You must refer your theory from these notes. I request you, because when I took interview of a student who scored 95 marks in SFM, he said me that your theory notes helped me to score 95 marks. If you are targeting 100% marks in SFM, you must cover theory from these notes which I have posted in my group. There are few additional new questions which you can refer. There are 3 mock test paper which you can refer. There are chapter wise important questions which you can refer. So friends, by all these notes and class which I am giving you, I am covering 100% concept in one lecture or few lectures. More than 1000 concepts I used to cover in my regular batch. Definitely there will not be any stock market part, there will not be any derivation part, there will not be any question solved. So many things which I used to do in regular batch, I will not cover those things in my marathon batch. I will only cover all the concepts which are important for your coming attempt. So friends, you should target 100% marks in SFM. I will give my 100%. You must refer all the notes which I have stated in this video. The description link and details of all these notes and videos will be given in description box. So be ready for this lecture. I am really very excited. Thank you so much friends. I will just want to say at the end that where there is a will, there is a way, and the dream of scoring 100% marks in SFM is not far away. You will definitely score this much marks. I will give my 100% effort so that you can easily score 100% marks in SFM, and after qualification you can enter into finance career, because our one target is to let you achieve target crore plus salary in finance. Thank you so much, friends.